2 Timothy chapter 2 verse 16. But avoid irreverent babble, for it will lead people into more and more ungodliness. In verse 14, Paul instructed Timothy to warn the church about mishandling God's word as they were quarreling over it. And in verse 15, he instructs Timothy to rightly handle God's word. Now, in this verse, he tells him to avoid irreverent babble, for it will lead people into more and more ungodliness. So there is not only quarreling about words, but irreverent babble, and Timothy is to stay away from it. Timothy has got a job to do. He's called to rightly handle the word of truth. And for him to do that, he needs to stay away from such irreverent babble. What is so bad about such babble? It brings ungodliness. Irreverent babble is godless chattering. For such chatterers, words become substitutes for deeds. An abundance of such chatter may seem theological sometimes, but produces only clever, intellectually reckless, and spiritually destructive talk. And Paul is telling Timothy to stay away from it. We need to be careful about our talks in the name of fellowship. The question is, how useful are our conversations with others? So we avoid useless and loose talks that is not of any value. And we stay away from those who are involved in it. Have a blessed day.